Want payroll to run like clockwork? Scheduling it in ADP automates the reminder and prep work, so you never miss a pay date. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In your payroll module, look for the Payroll Schedule, or Scheduled Payrolls, section. Here, you can view all upcoming pay dates. To schedule a specific run, you often need to start the process and select the Schedule for Later option instead of Submitting Now. You'll choose the date and time for the payroll to be submitted. ADP will send you reminders as the date approaches, giving you time to review hours and approve timesheets. My crucial pro tip: build in a review buffer. Don't schedule the payroll to submit at the last possible minute. Schedule it for 24 to 48 hours before your actual deadline. This gives you a cushion to fix any last-minute issues with time cards or deductions without causing a delay. Turn payroll from a frantic task into a managed event on your calendar. Do you prefer to run payroll on a strict schedule or more manually as needed? For more automation tips, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.